Hello friends, my name is Namasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the organizational structure. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important if you are a student of project management and you are planning to give exam of PMP. So this is a very important topic, and you will see this topic especially in the PMP exam, that what is organizational structure. And also if you are a project manager working in any organization as a project manager, so you must have to know about different structures of organizations. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Organizational structure. Basically, if you just see this term, organizational structure means that how the what is the structure of the organization and what is the skeleton on which the any organization based on or stands on. So organizational structure is a system that outlines how certain activities are directed in order to achieve the goals of an organization. These activities can include roles or responsibilities and different roles and responsibilities. The organizational structure also determines how information flows between levels within the company. For example, in a centralized structure, decisions flow from the top down, while in a decentralized structure, decision making power is distributed among various levels of the organization. So basically, every organization has their own structure. Some organizations are centralized organizations in which the decision making or information flow from top to bottom, and some are decentralized. That means the information is distributed among different divisions. Okay, so every organization has their own structure, has their own culture, and based on that they stands on. So basically we shall discuss that organization structure outlines how certain activities are directed to achieve the goals of an organization. Successful organizational structure define each employee's job and how it fits within the overall system. Centralized structure has a defined chain of command, while decentralized structures gives almost every employee receiving a high level of personal agency. Types of organizational structure include functional organizations, divisional, and flattery and matrix organization. Senior leaders should consider a variety of factors before deciding which type of organization is best for their business. Basically, friend, or different organizations have different structure. Like for example, for functional organizations, or projectized organizations, or matrix organizations. So there nowadays different organizational structures are nowadays available, and organizations are working as per their needs and as per their business. So basically the senior level, like for example CEO or CEO, are responsible to make a decision that which organizational structure is better for their company. So based on their understanding and based on their needs, they decide that which structure is better for them. Okay, now we shall discuss that what is the functional structure. If you just see the term functional structure, that means the organization is based on functions. Function means that uh, organization, four types of common organizational structures are implemented in the real world. The first and most common functional structure is the functional structure. Company based on the specializations of its workforce, most small to medium sized business is implemented functional structure, dividing the firm into departments considering marketing, sales, operations, project management, IT division, quality assurance, finance. So based on the function side, the company is based on the that company called as a functional organization. So basically they describe different divisions like marketing, sales, professional delivery, IT division, network division, functional, the finance division, quality assurance division, project management division. So basically with respect to the expertise of the resources, they define the divisions, and the whole organization is based on the functional organization. And generally what happened that multiple divisions like 4 to 5 divisions are reporting to one manager, and other 4 to 5 divisions are reporting to another manager, and based on that every manager has their own roles and responsibilities, and these managers are reporting to the CEO generally, or CEO of a company. Normally the finance and the financial and other divisions are reporting to CFO, Chief Financial Officer. The technical divisions like IT divisions and the software divisions, they are normally reports to CTO, so, Chief Technology Officer. So what is functional organization? The organization which is based on the functions like sales, marketing, IT, network, etc. The other organization structure is the divisional or multi-divisional structure. The second type is common among large companies with many business units, called the divisional or multi-divisional structure. A company that uses this method structure, its leadership team based on the products, projects, or subsidiaries they operate. A good example of this structure is Johnson and Johnson. With thousands of products and lines of business, the company structure itself so business unit operates on its own. So basically, it is called as divisional structure. Divisional structure means, for example, a company which has money division. For example, based on the products or projects the company is working. For example, one company has one division. For example, one particular product. For example, any Johnson and Johnson. So every division has its own responsibilities, has their own funds, and according to that they work. So basically, every division is independent, and every division can make their own decisions, and it is a divisional structure. Okay, so basically, company is based on multiple divisions, and every division is independent, and they are to take their decisions, and they are managing their business by itself, and they have their own operations division. So every division is by itself a separate and independent division actually. So this is a concept of divisional or multi-divisional concept of organizational structure. This is another type of organizational structure. Then another structure is matrix structure. Matrix structure is basically a structure in which, like for example, whenever we talk about matrix structure, we are talking about two bosses. Two bosses means that there in that this type of organization, like one manager is functional manager who report resources are reporting to him, and resources are reporting to project manager as well. So this organizational structure is called as the matrix structure. Remember, friend, in this type of structure, it has some advantages that communication is better, like you are using the abilities of resources better, but there are some drawbacks of matrix structure as well, that there are some confusion, like the sharing of power become so much, authority become so much issue. Many times it happens that your functional manager is giving some other instruction and project manager is giving some any other instruction. So matrix structure, remember, whenever we talk about matrix structure, we are basically we are talking about two bosses structure, two bosses organization, like resources are reporting to functional manager and the project manager as well. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.